welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. So today we're going to clean and reorganize my pantry. I did do a pantry makeover video a few months ago, so I will link that one down below. To my surprise, even with kids, it's been staying pretty organized. But I did just go grocery shopping, so it's looking pretty bad. It usually looks all out of place after grocery shopping anyway. So let me show you guys. And I didn't move anything. Whatever it looked like before turning on the camera, it still looks like that. So y'all are getting a real life. Ooh, it looks bad. That looks bad. Oh my goodness. So after I go grocery shopping, I just put any groceries that go in here on the counter, and then I put away my frozen and my refrigerated items, and then I come back here to reorganize it. So these obviously get empty along the way, so what I do is I clean them out and I just kind of leave them here. Usually it looks nicer than this, but it's been, you know, a crazy few days. So basically I just put everything in here while I put everything else away, and then I come back here and I find a place for it. So it does get pretty empty, and then after grocery shopping it looks like this. So we're going to clean and reorganize that. I have no idea why the kids did this. Sometimes they like to play in here, it's kind of funny. So I did go grocery shopping at Grocery Outlet. I don't know if you guys have one near you or if you know what that is, but they have a lot of organic and really good snacks for so cheap. So if you guys want to start incorporating some organic snacks for your kids or for yourself, definitely check out Grocery Outlet. You will save a lot of money. And I also like to try out new items. They get a lot of new items, like this bag, a 6-pack of little popcorns. These were like $1.99. So 6 of them, yeah, $1.99. So I did pick up 2. This box of crackers I think was like $2, the same price as the regular crackers, and to me honestly these are a lot better. Got cookies up here, we have oatmeal, my husband likes his chips, so we got chips up there. And then this, one of the workers at Trader Joe's recommended this red wine to me. I'm not a wine drinker like that, but she recommended this one and it's actually pretty good. I don't drink a lot, but when I do. And then over here is pretty much just all my dry goods, cans, and then I have some of my oils and sauces, and not sauces, vinegars and stuff like that. Down here I keep extra items, so that's kind of bad. So like breakfast items. This is usually like extra snacks, like popcorn, and then like sides. I have some goodies back here as well. So let's get started on cleaning and reorganizing this pantry. So go ahead and grab you guys some ice water, some tea, some coffee, and sit back and relax. So I'm gonna move these containers to the side and just wipe off the shelves just in case there's any dust or crumbs. But you couldn't let it heal. No point in dropping any blame. The winners are the lost. In this place we are the same. I'm gonna start putting the snacks away, and then any extras I have I can put in another container. So I don't overcomplicate this at all. Just whatever fits, I just add it to these containers. If you guys are interested in these containers, these OXO containers. I did get the cereal containers from Macy's. They had a sale, a really great sale. And then the other containers I got from Costco. So definitely check out your Costco or Bed Bath & Beyond. I know you can use your coupons for that store. And I also have been seeing these at HomeGoods. By the way, the glass containers, I saved a lot of money by going to HomeGoods for those, World Market when they were having a really good sale. So don't feel like you have to get the best of the best. I definitely got some high end, some low end, but at the end of the day, I saved money by going to places like Costco, World Market, HomeGoods, Target, and Amazon. I will link some of these items down below, so if you guys are interested, please check the description box. And look at this. Who put the honey upside down in this bin? That's why it's good to take everything out and clean it, because who knows how long that's been like that. I really love these Lazy Susans to house my vinegars and my smaller bottle oils. They're really convenient and keep everything tidy and neat.
You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
This huge bottle of Grey Goose, you guys. That was for my housewarming party months ago.
I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest?
This vacuum right here, you guys, if you don't own one of these, this thing will change your life. I do have an older model and I want to upgrade mine, but it's just so convenient. It's a battery operated. You just grab it and go, and it does a really good job vacuuming the hard floors, carpet, everything. And now we have a clean, organized pantry. I do have bulk rice and beans in another room, and I forgot to refill those, so that's why they're kind of empty.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough.
I love having an organized pantry. The kids can just come in here, grab what they want, and food does not go to waste because you can clearly see everything we have. So it's very practical and functional for us. All right guys, so that was my pantry reorganize and clean with me. If you guys enjoy clean with me and organization videos, please let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.